Alright. We gotta flush the toilet, replace all this. Hopefully Philip don't come in here and fuck with my video. To the bucket. Alright. I'm going upstairs. Oh my grody. And folks, that was a double flusher. It definitely filled the bucket up. I'll be posting this to my YouTube channel, Peck and Pipe Wrench. Basically, you know, we're just out here saving the world one plumbing job at a time. Ain't that right, Phil?
Put your cape on.
Put your cape on, people. Call us.
Cape on.
Better be an emergency. Tell them, Phil.
Call. There's a coronavirus going on.
Yeah.
Leave us the hell alone.
Yeah, leave us alone. Leave us the fuck alone. We don't want.
We got families too.
We got families too. I got dogs that are very dear to me. Phil's got children, and he's also got dogs. That, you know. And there's a tiger. There's a tiger that got the coronavirus.
Really?
Yeah, really. I mean, it was. Yeah, it was in the Bronx Zoo.
The Bronx Zoo.
It definitely wasn't one of Joe Exotic's. No. You know who Joe Exotic is?
I've heard about him.
You ain't watched it yet?
I don't know.
You ain't gonna watch it?
I don't know.
Dude, it's the best show in the world.
Really?
Carol fucking Baskins. You know what I'm saying?
That is an opinion.
I saw a tiger.
That is your opinion. You can't say that and just...
Tiger saw a man.
Oh, did it come out your hole like you expected?
I don't know. We gotta watch this video. It's this video right here.
I figured it leaked right there too.
I'd say it did. But it come out of this toilet, so it probably
Oh yeah, it shouldn't have been.
Yeah, but it might have. Well, folks, you know, we're out of here. Another episode of Pipe Wrench and Peck.
No, you're not Pipe Wrench.